Welcome to the Hanbridge Mandarin Conversational Mandarin video course. Our learning system starts you at 0 and takes you step by step toward mastering the Chinese language. Divided into 3 different levels, the course covers 30 topics arranged in groups of 10 that cover almost every conversational situation you will encounter to help you survive in China. So that you can prepare easily and quickly for each video lesson, you can download the text along with new words and grammar tips. Each subsequent lesson strengthens what you learned previously. Therefore, we strongly recommend that you start from the first topic and continue in sequence to the last. At the beginning of each lesson, you will hear the text of an entire conversation read by a male and female with English subtitles. Next, we introduce new words and structures one by one with plenty of examples, all based on your previous work. You will find that not only have you learned the sentences from the text, but you will also be able to construct lots of other useful sentences. Practice is a critical component of Chinese learning. When the lesson arrives at the point for you to practice, you will see the your turn mark and you will have a few seconds to follow and practice the sentences. It helps you to digest the new content and start to use it more naturally. After each lesson, we show the full text of the conversation and you can listen to the text again to review the entire class. Beneath each video lesson, you can download the exercise to help you better understand the materials, extend your studies, and evaluate yourself after the lesson is over. There is a comment area where you can leave comments and questions. If something is difficult, you have a question or you have a suggestion, you can leave us a message and our teachers will respond. Don't forget that every student who buys a subscription will also receive a free live tutoring lesson. You can reserve a time and try a lesson with one of the highly experienced Hanbridge teachers. Our teachers will not only help you understand the video lesson content better, they can also help you start putting the Chinese you learn into practice. You can enjoy the tailor-made class and see how effective it is. Now that you know how the lessons are designed and how to use them, come on and get started with your first one.